I'm Chris Broom, Draper's president. Today is an exciting day for me and for my family. To be able to do this is something that's really special. I'm pleased to be joined today by all of the members of Draper's executive committee. We have 10 buildings here on our campus, but this is the first time we've ever had a ribbon cutting event. So thank you for joining us and celebrating with us today. You'll see we're taking some pictures and taking video, which we'll share with our many customers and friends. I wanted to share a few numbers with you. At Draper, we now have 723 employees with 7,680 combined years of service, which I think is something that's really impressive. 261 of those employees have been with us for 10 years or more. 167 have been with us for 20 years or more. 42 for 30 years or more, and believe it or not, 12 employees that have been with us for more than 40 years, and I think that's all really impressive. As far as Building 10 goes, it adds 100,000 square feet to our campus, giving us about 500,000 square feet under roof. Really excited to have it as it gives us room to expand and continue to grow. With the building, we pick up 7 much needed new truck docks that you can see over there. We also get quite a bit more production space and room for component storage. Building 10 will allow us to reconfigure our campus too, so that we can add a new automated paint line, which is something we're very excited about. It'll help us quite a bit with capacity and also with product quality. Also, our buildings and our equipment are very important, but the most important thing to us is our employees. One thing that we're very proud of is in our 121-year history, Draper's never had a layoff, and I think that's something that makes us unique as well. So I'm very proud of Draper's long history, and I'm also very excited to see what this company will accomplish in the future. We've got, as you can see across the door, we have 3 ribbons here, and I'd like to invite John Pigeon and Mike Broom to help me cut those ribbons. I do want to say thank you to all the members of the community that have supported us over the years and supported us with Building 10. Your help's greatly appreciated. We also have the scissors that we're going to use for the ribbon cutting today. These are scissors that we used to use when we cut all of our window shade and projection screen fabric by hand here. So I don't think we've used these scissors in quite some time, but a little bit of Draper history. So I'll let Mike cut the first ribbon.
I'll try only cutting one.
There you go. Good.
Scissors still work.
John, you want to grab that one? Yeah. It worked. Last one. Maybe. You said still works. There we go. Thank you.